Remember the Range Rover that climbed 999 stairs in China? Well, a Chinese SUV tried the exact same stunt, and the fail was so bad it blew up the internet. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe for more unbelievable real-world stories. In 2018, the Range Rover Sport made history by climbing Tianmen Mountain's 999-step staircase, a stunt that went viral worldwide. That success inspired other car companies to prove they could do it too, especially in China. Recently, Chinese automaker Chery brought their new SUV, the Fengyun X3L, to the exact same stairs. Everything looked perfect, the crowd was excited, cameras were rolling, and the SUV began its climb smoothly. But halfway up, disaster struck. The SUV suddenly lost momentum, slipped backward, slammed into the railing, and slid down the steps. The whole fail was captured on video and went instantly viral. At first, everyone thought the car wasn't powerful enough. But Chery later explained that the real issue wasn't the engine, it was the safety rope system. The rope unrolled incorrectly, got tangled in the wheel, blocked the power, and caused the SUV to lose control. So the failure wasn't mechanical, it was a setup mistake. On social media, people kept calling it the Chinese Range Rover. But that's not true at all. This wasn't a Range Rover copy, it was simply Chery trying to recreate an iconic stunt, and failing dramatically. So yes, the stunt was real, the fail was real, and the story is absolutely true. Should Chery attempt this challenge again? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wild stories.